Hi, everyone, this video will show you a full guide to fix Windows not saving screenshots to the screenshots folder issue and recover screenshots. How to find the screenshots. Way 1. Check the clipboard. Press the Windows and V to open the clipboard window. Check if the screenshot you want is there. Select the screenshot you want and paste it into a Word file. Right-click it and select Save as Picture. Name it and choose a proper location to save it. Way 2. Check recent files from Quick Access. Press the Windows and E keys to open the File Explorer window. Select Quick Access from the left pane. Scroll down to check whether your screenshots are located there. Double-click the file to see if it is the right one. Way 3. Recover lost or deleted screenshots via MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Open MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Select Folder and click Browse. Choose the target folder and click Select Folder. Scan results will be shown by path. Check the box in front of the target files. Click Save. How to fix Windows not saving screenshots to the screenshots folder. Fix 1. Prevent OneDrive from saving screenshots. Click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. Click the gear icon and then select Settings. Toggle off the switch of Save Screenshots I Capture to OneDrive option. Fix 2. Change the permission of the screenshots folder. Press the Windows and E keys to open the File Explorer window. Navigate to C driver users /username /pictures. Right-click the Screenshots folder to select Properties. Move on to the Security tab. Click the Edit button. Check if your user account has full control permission. Click Apply and OK sequentially to make this change take effect. Fix 3. Tweak Windows Registry. Press the Windows and R keys to open the Run window. Type regedit and press Enter. Navigate to the location on the screen. Double-click Screenshot Index in the right panel. Select Decimal and set up the value data to 695. Click OK to save the changes. Go to the location on the screen. Check if the entry whose name is on the screen is there. If it's not there, right-click Empty Space on the right pane. Select New and then Expandable String Value. Then name it with the name on the screen. Set its value data to the value on the screen. Click OK to save the change. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.